Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Diwali wishes to customers via SMS automatically. So in this Diwali season, I want to send discount codes and Diwali wishes to all my customers for my restaurant chain. And I have the details of all these customers in my Google Sheets. Now I want to send SMS along with the Diwali wishes to each of them. For automating this entire process, I am not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. I will simply set up the connection between my Google Sheets and Twilio for sending the SMS, and that I'm going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business this Diwali, then for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to send Diwali wishes to all of our customers through SMS. So here I'm managing a restaurant chain and I'm managing a spreadsheet which contains all the details of my repeated customers. I have their name, their email and the phone number. Now I want to send Diwali wishes along with some special discount offers for my restaurant to all these customers. And because I have a huge list of customers, I'm not going to send it one by one manually. I will simply automate this entire process. So here I want to send SMS to all these customers for Diwali wishes. Therefore, I'm going to use Twilio. So with the help of Twilio, I will send discount offers as well as Diwali wishes to all these customers, and that too automatically. Now, how am I going to automate this entire process? For that, I will have to build a connection between Google Sheets in which I have the details of all these customers and Twilio account. And that I'm going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Alright, so here with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to automate the entire process of sending Diwali wishes to all our customers from Google Sheets with the help of Twilio. Okay, so we are also having Diwali sale for Pabbly Connect. So if you do not want to miss it, just grab it now. Okay, I'm going to click on sign in to log into my account directly because I am already an existing user. And over here we are on the all app section of Pabbly where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. After coming over here, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect on which we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Send Diwali wishes to customers via SMS automatically. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, I'm going to select automations for customer management. And now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us which contains two extremely important windows. First is a trigger over here and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that because I want to send automated SMS to all these customers I have in my Google Sheets, so I'm going to take Google Sheets and Trigger and Twilio for sending SMS in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the customer details are added in Google Sheets, then only the SMS will be sent to all the customers, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation for sending Diwali wishes to all of our customers automatically. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will go towards our trigger step and we will select our trigger application. Now over here, our trigger application will be Google Sheets. So let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. So here, new or updated spreadsheet row will be our trigger event because we want that whenever a new row will be added in our spreadsheet, then automatically the response should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we have to build the connection between our Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. To build that connection, we have received a webhook URL which we need to insert inside our Google Sheets. And also we have received some instructions. So by following these instructions, we have to insert this webhook URL inside Google Sheets to build the connection. So let's copy this webhook URL as it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from Google Sheets towards Pabbly Connect. And then I'm going to tell you what you're exactly supposed to do. Okay, so I'm going to take you towards my Google Sheets. We have to go towards the extensions section over here. And over here, we'll find the option of add-ons. This is the option of get add-ons, which we have to click. And over here, we are on Google Workspace Marketplace. So here we need to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhook is the add-on which we need to install in Google Sheets to build this connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. You can see I have already installed this add-on, so I'm just going to cross this. We'll move back, and over here, in case if you have installed the add-on for the very first time, you also have to refresh your spreadsheet once so that you will be able to find the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks under extensions. As we can see the option, let's go towards initial setup. And over here, we have two options. We have to enter the webhook URL and also we have to enter the trigger column. So first of all, let's paste that webhook URL over here to build this connection. Then it is asking us the trigger column. What is trigger column? The concept of trigger column says that whenever in your spreadsheet the data will be added in a new row up till this column, then the entire row will be immediately sent towards Pabbly Connect. So over here in my spreadsheet, you can see I have three columns A, B, C. I have C as the last column of my spreadsheet, which contains the phone number of the customers. I want that whenever a new customer details will be added in this particular spreadsheet up till the C column, then I want to send the response towards Pabbly Connect immediately. So C will be my trigger column over here. It is also given in the instructions that the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent to the webhook URL. So now after entering the details, I'm going to click on send test to send the test response of this first line of this dummy user and with all the details towards Pabbly Connect. As I've clicked on this button, the test data is sent successfully. We'll click on submit to submit the initial setup. And over here, we can see that our configuration is set up. Now we'll cross this, we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect. And over here, the response is captured as you can see. In the response, we have received all the details. First of all, we have the trigger column over here, which we have selected. Then we have the name of the spreadsheet. We have the spreadsheet ID, the sheet name, the sheet ID. Then we have the row index. That means in which row we have the data which we have received. So we have row number 2. So the row index is 2. Then we have the phone number of the customer. We have the name and the email address. This means that the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now, because my objective is that as soon as a new row will be added in this particular spreadsheet, then also the details should be sent automatically towards Pabbly Connect. We do not have to do anything manually after that. So what we are going to do, we'll click on this extensions option. We'll click on Pabbly Connect Webhooks and we'll click on this button send on event this time. As we have done that, we have made sure that now whenever we are going to add a new row with the new details of the customer, then also the data will be keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect. So after building the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, my objective is to send SMS to the customer for Diwali wishes. So for that, now I'm going to use Twilio. So we'll move towards our action step. Our action application over here will be Twilio. So let's select that quickly. Then we have to select the action event. Here our action event will be send SMS message. Let's click on connect to build the connection. Now to build the connection, we have two options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, just go with that. But to create a new connection, you have to enter account SID, authorization token, and once again, you have to enter the account SID. How we are going to get these details? To get these, we have to go towards our Twilio account. So when you will create your Twilio account, you will find all these details which will be visible on your Twilio account. So I'm going to take you towards my Twilio account first of all. So this is my account. When we'll scroll down here, we have the account SID, auth token, and some other details. So let's copy the account SID first of all, and we will paste in these both fields. Then it is asking us the authorization token. So once again, we'll go towards Twilio. Let's copy auth token and we'll move back. And let's paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we have to move forward. First of all, it is asking us the body of the SMS. What is the content of the message which you want to send? So because I want to send Diwali wishes to the customers, here my content will be dear. So now in order to make this particular message in the personalized format, I'm going to enter the name of the customer. And here, because I have a list of customers, I'm not going to change the name of each of the customer again and again because we are setting up the automation over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, instead of entering the name of the customer manually over here by typing, I will simply use the same response which I have received from my previous step. And in this way, I'm going to map the name of the customer. So here we have the name. When I've selected that, the name is mapped. Okay, so now when I map this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So when the workflow is going to run in real time, automatically the name is going to replace with the new names of all the customers. And in this way, we are going to send customized and personalized messages to each of the customer which we have in our Google Sheets. Okay, now in the similar manner, whatever details you want to replace along with each of the customers, you can just map these details. Okay, and in this way, you can send creative messages for Diwali wishes to all your customers, that too in the personalized format. Now I'm going to enter the entire content. So over here, I have the message, Dear dummy user, wishing you a happy and prosperous Diwali. Celebrate the festival of lights with the hungry folk and enjoy 20% off on all dine-in and takeaways order. Use Diwali 20 valid till 10th November 2024. Come indulge in festive flavors with us, Team the Hungry Folk. Okay. Here we have the message. Then it is asking us the sender number. Who is sending the message? When you will create your Twilio account, you will receive a phone number, which is your Twilio phone number. So you are going to send the message from that number only. So in the place of sender number, you have to enter that Twilio phone number. Here I have my Twilio phone number. I have copied that and I have pasted it. Okay. Then it is asking us the recipient number. Who is going to receive the number? So here the recipient will be the customer. So here I'm going to simply map the customer's phone number and done. Okay. Now we have to enter the +91 also along with this. So I'm going to enter +91 manually. Alright, so here because I have entered +91 manually, so it has become static and then it is not going to replace. But the data which we have mapped over here is going to replace every time. In this way, we are going to send the message to all the customers. Now when we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and over here, you can see that the response is received. So in this response, we have received all the details as well as the message which is sent. So in the message, because currently I'm using the trial account for Twilio. So here we have a sentence that this message is sent from your Twilio trial account. But in your case, when you will be using a paid account, so this will not happen. Okay, now I'm going to show you the message which I have received on the number. And over here, you can see that the message is received. So here we have the same message which I have entered. Now, this means that our connection between Google Sheets and Twilio is absolutely successful. So now my objective is that I want to send the Diwali wishes in the personalized format to each of these customers I have in my spreadsheet. In that case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards extension section. I will go towards Pabbly Connect webbox. And this time I'm going to click on send all data. As I have clicked on this button, that means I have made sure that now automatically the message will be sent to each of the customers I have in my spreadsheet. Along with this, also when I'm going to add a new customer details in the spreadsheet, the message will be sent to that customer as well. Okay, so here in this way, you have to create this automation for sending Diwali wishes to each of your customers automatically, that too with their name, with their personalized details. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.